Ever dreamed of instantly populating your Minecraft world with epic creations? Let's dive into the magic of spawning structures. The primary way to achieve this is through the power of commands first. Ensure you have cheats enabled in your world. If you're playing with friends, you might need to be an operator. To use commands that spawn structures, you'll often need a command block. You can get one by typing a specific command into your chat, which will place it directly into your inventory. Once you have it, place it down wherever you want your structure to appear. Now, here's where the fun begins. There are predefined structures you can summon. For instance, you can spawn an entire village, a fearsome pillager outpost, or even a sprawling woodland mansion. Each structure has a unique identifier that you input into the command block. This is incredibly useful for quickly setting up new areas, creating challenging dungeons for your friends, or even designing custom gameplay scenarios. Imagine generating a series of themed villages for an adventure map, or placing several strongholds to explore. Beyond pre-built structures, advanced users can even use commands or external tools to create and spawn entirely custom builds. This opens up a universe of possibilities for world building. From crafting intricate towns to designing unique challenge maps, get creative and start shaping your world today. Experiment with different structure identifiers and get ready to build your world like never before.